The purpose of this game is to build buildings next to each other of the same colour to harvest resources from this crystal. So you can see I've got a couple of blue cards here, a green and a red. They all represent the different type of resources that we have. So in order to get these buildings to do anything, they have to be chained, and what chained means is that they're next to each other without walls separating them. The walls are represented by these red X's on the sides or the top of the cards, you'll notice. So let's just put down this red one as well, and what we'll notice is at the end of the turn we'll get some blue resource but not red because there's nothing else connected to the red one at the moment. So let's end the turn there. You see that the resources available on the blue ones has gone down because we harvested it, but the red one remains. But we now have a red one that we can connect to it, and now we'll get some from that. I also want to make sure I don't run out of population, so I'm going to build myself a little bit here so I can drop down some of these green cards. You see that one has no walls, which makes it easier to make chains with, and I'm going to end the turn here. So now you can see that I'm harvesting a bunch of resources all at once, but what you need to be aware of is once this number runs out, you will then need to rebuild. I press end turn here, you'll see the last ones are taken from there and they're destroyed, and so you need to keep on building. Once you get to your goal, you unlock new cards and your mining rig expands. And you basically just repeat the process, trying to make sure that you don't run out of power, you've got enough population so that you can play cards. It tells you what the costs of cards are down at the bottom, and your goal then is to try and increase your production, the blue tiles, so that you earn enough to expand your ring and earn new cards. At the top left of the screen you can see this tells you when each ring is going to turn, because they turn periodically to make things more difficult, and this 6 next to the gem means on the 6th turn the gem will zap out and destroy one of the tiles. So create long chains, keep an eye on your resources, and last as long as you can.